Hey Caleb, I'm going to try to make this pretty quick. So when I'm looking at triangles like this, it's asking for the degrees. So you have to use what we talked about earlier today about the similar sides and then use that knowledge to find the missing angle. Now I'm going to, I cut this frame down that you had here and I cut off all those other things so we could look just at the picture of the two triangles. When I look at triangle, I'm going to see if I can write on here. It's been a while, so give me a hot second. When I see this, I think to myself, I have this, I'm going to call this R Q P. So I'm going to call, it's probably something different on your screen, but I wasn't able to see the actual story problem. So R, Q, and P. When I look at this other similar triangle, because they tell me it's similar, I'm thinking to myself, this really long side here is similar to this really long side here. So I'm going to need to think about how my triangles look, and I'm actually going to take this one on the right and flip it. So I still have triangle R, Q, P, but now that I have flipped the one on the right, you can see that the 4, this long side here, will line up with that long side there. So I'm going to call the right one triangle CBA. And then I have to think about my similarities. So the bottom side on the right will line up with the left side bottom. Hey, look at that. And then that 8 here and the 2 here kind of line up. So what it's asking for is the measure of the angle itself that's missing. Oops, sorry. So I think to myself, let me see if I can erase this. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Go me. I think to myself, how can I find the measure of this missing angle? And earlier you told me on Friday that all triangles equal 180. So I'm going to say 180, and I'm going to subtract 27, because that's what that is. And then I'm going to subtract the 90 degrees. And I'm going to get, I got to do some math in my head here. I don't happen to know that total, so I'm going to do it on the side here on a piece of paper. It's way easier for me to do it that way than it is to like find something else going, like a calculator, because I didn't have one available. I should have. That was bad form. That's going to equal 63 degrees. So remember, these line up. So that missing Q angle here should be the same missing B angle right in here. I would say it's 63 degrees. So let's see if that was one of your options. I'm going to go back up a slide. 63 degrees. It is an option. So sometimes you might want to take a piece of paper and kind of trace here and then be able to like cut out this other piece to see that. I hope that helps. Let me know.